Hi guys, in the last lecture we have studied the material of a cable. Now we are going to study classification of a cable. First, the classification of a cable is done in the basics three type. First one is your on the voltage, second one is your on core, and third type is done on the basic of a insulation material. But in this video we are going to study these two types. Okay, first the based on your low tension cable. Low tension cable means if the voltage range is from 1 volt to 1000 volt, then that cable comes under a low tension cable. If your voltage range is from 1000 volt to 11000 volt, then that cable comes under the high tension cable. If your voltage range is from 22 kilovolt to 33 kilovolt, then that cable comes under a super tension cable. Extra high tension cable is from 33 kilovolt to 66 kilovolt, and extra super high voltage cable is beyond 132 kilovolt. Now student, for example, in household applications we are using a cable of that range of 230 volt. That cable is also under a low tension cable. If a tension of the cable that we are using from your transformer to your house to your meter box, that cable comes, that cable is in the range of high tension. The cable that are lying for the railway purposes, that cables is about 22 kilovolt. The cable that are used for using a load from that is industrial purpose, example steel industries, drilling industries, mining industries, that industries are using a heavy machineries, that cables is about 33 kilovolt. And transmission purpose, if your transmission is under a sea, in that conditions we are using a cable of 132 kilovolt. Now the next type is your cables is distributed in single core, 2 core, 3 core and 4 core. Means if you are using a single core, this is core 1. Only in a cable, whole cable there is only one core, means it is a single core cable. In the whole cable there are 2 cores, means there is 2 core cable. In the whole cable there is 3 cores, means 3 core cables. If there are cable, there are 4 conductors, means 4 core conductors are used. In this manner we can differentiate your cables in a different formats, and depend upon the insulation also we are differentiating the next we are using 3 core cables. Now over here this is your core number 1, this is your core number 2, and this is your core number 3. Okay, now while using this type of a cables, the cable having a insulation is of solid material, therefore the cable is known as solid type cable, and the core is 3, therefore 3 core cables. Now this cable is consisting of a paper belt. This cable consisting upon a paper belt, therefore this name of this cable is belted cable. What are the advantages of these cables? We are going to list it over here. Cable. This cable, in this cable the conductors are wrapped with oil impregnated paper. Each conductor is wrapped with your impregnated paper. As we know that impregnated paper is very cheap and highly resistive, so that it can be protect the conductor from getting short circuited from each other. Okay, therefore each core of a conductor is wrapped with your impregnated paper. Next, these cables voltage 11 kilovolt, or in some cases it can be up to a 22 kilovolt. As per the requirement we are changing the voltage range of the conductors. Next, the high voltage beyond 22 yes, this cable is up to 22 kilovolt, but if we increase the voltage up to 5 to 10%, then it's okay. But if you increase more than 10%, means 20%, 30%, 50%, then the stress of a cable may get increased. As the stress increases, then there is a chances of leakage current. As the leakage current is flowing, then your cable may get damaged. So we can't increase your voltage up to a certain limit. Okay, next, the insulation stress of the paper is quite small along with the layer, and hence the leakage current along the layer of the paper is insulated. Okay, leakage current causes a local heating that result in the breaking of the insulation, as I told just. Next, screening cable. This is the screening cable. The screening cable is again, if your voltage is beyond 22 up to 66, we are using a screening cable. If your voltage is 11 to 22, then we are using a belted cable. If your voltage is above 33 and up to 66 kilovolt, we are using a screening cable. Okay, based on the voltages we are differentiating, and based on the insulation also we are differentiating. Okay, and this type of a cable is consisting again differentiated into a two part, H type cable and SL type cable. Now H type cable designed by a H. Hochland. Each core is insulating by a layers of impregnated paper. In the last cable also, the core is also impregnated paper, core is insulated with impregnated paper, and in this cable also the core is protected with impregnated paper. Now next, the insulation of each core is covered with a metallic screen, which is usually of profitable aluminum foil. With profitable with aluminum coil means what? Now look into the picture. This is your core. Black color dotted portion is your core. On the core we are using a insulation, that is paper insulation, and after paper insulation we are providing a metallic screen. Now this metallic screen, the material of this metallic screen is of aluminum. As we know that we are using a foil paper, that material is of aluminum. That aluminum material we are wrapping each conductors with a foil paper, a metallic screen, and then we are providing a fillings so that your conductor look like a circular. Next, the core are laid in such a way that metallic screen make contact with one another. Now look into the picture also. This first metallic screen is contact with the second is contact with the third, and this all are coincide with each other. Okay, so that each three of them getting a grip to withstand over there. Okay, next, basic advantages of H-type cable is that performance in the metallic screen assist in the complete impregnated of the cables and with compound, and thus possibility of air pockets of voids in the dielectric string is eliminated. Yes, very much important. Due to the metallic screen, the air pocket that may form in a paper insulation is eliminated because of aluminum foil. Okay, the metallic screen increase the heating dissipation power of the cable. Next one is your SL type cable. SL is nothing but a separate lead sheet type of a cable. This type of a cable is providing a one separate, that is lead sheet to a conductor. This is your lead sheet. This is a lead sheet that is providing to a cable. Now each core is insulated with a cover with its own lead sheet. It has two main advantages. First, the separate sheet of minimize the possibility of a core to core breakdown, and second, the bending of a cable become easy. Yes, as you provide a lead to each conductor, so that the mechanical strength of the cable is also increases, and it is easily they can bend while laying your cable into the underground. As you know, while laying the cables into the underground trenches, there is the labors, and labors having a limiting power, so that there is a chances that the cable weight may withstand their power. So to balance all this, we are using a separate lead sheet. Okay, these are the type of the cable. In the next lecture we are going to see the gas cables and oil filled cables. Okay.